Hello, hello, hello. You're watching English by Asghar. So today we're gonna discuss something really important. Most of the people are asking the same question. What is a really easiest way of learning a language? Oh man, what is the really fastest way of learning a language? And what is a really miraculous way of learning a language? I believe it takes years and years to learn a language. But the only thing you must have is consistency. The only thing you must have is your alacrity. You must be passionate about learning a language. So that's the only thing you must have. And I believe if you start listening for the first time for learning a language, that could really help you. Let me give you an example. For example, if I start asking you question like in other language that you don't know even a single word of it, like for example my first language is Pashto. If I start asking you questions in Pashto, you won't be able to answer that because if you're not Pashtun, why you haven't learned it nah. If I ask the same question from a Pashtun ke, a small ke, he will be answering me because he heard, he observed, he listened, and now he's reacting, he's giving me response of what I asked him. So I believe the only thing you must have is your listening power. It could be improved for the first time. Like for example, if you're learning a language, if someone's learning a language, what comes first? Your spoken. What comes first? Your spoken. Like for example, if someone's asking me, "What are you doing?" I tell them I'm learning a German language. So they'll be start asking me question. Oh, what it is called in German? What it is called in German? How to translate it in German? So that's your spoken, and that's how it builds by your listening. Initially, a kid's learning a language. So what he hear first, he hear. So the simple thing happens here when we are listening, we are receiving, and then we start speaking. So, the only thing you should do is your listening. And we'll discuss how to listen, what to listen, and where to listen, and how, if we listen, what will be improved, and how long should we listen. So that will be our second video. And the most important thing I really need to ask you people, and I really need to know that we'll be discussing our grammatical topics as well. And this is the time to start our long videos. I'm really ambiguous that what language I should use. That could be my first language, Pashto. That could be my national language, that's called Urdu, or that could be my third language, that's English. So I don't know if you're watching my video for the first time. You know that I'm a new YouTuber. I'm a fresh YouTuber. For your suggestion, you have to drop in the comment section what I really need to do right and what I really need to improve, so that can help me in my videos further. So that's the thing I really want to tell you. Start listening right from today, from now, and that will really help you. If you don't really know how to listen and what to listen, drop your comment and I'll start making videos about that as well. Thank you very much and follow for more.